Grammar: while or when. Prior knowledge: past continuous tense. Before you watch this video, make sure you have learned past continuous tense. Example: Ronald was playing online games at 11 a.m. yesterday. Make sure you know what is past continuous tense and when past continuous tense is used. Now let's move on to something new: while or when. These two connectives are often used with past continuous tense. Before we start, let's have a quiz. Simon was playing online games. Doot. Miss Lai was teaching past continuous tense. Should we use while or when? The answer is while. Quiz number 2. Simon was playing online games. Doot. Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. Should we use while or when? The answer is when. Question number 3. Simon was playing online games while Miss Lai, doot, past continuous tense. Miss Lai was teaching or Miss Lai taught? Which one is correct? The answer is was teaching. Question number 4. Simon was playing online games when Miss Lai took him to answer the question. Should we use was asking or asked? The answer is asked. If you've got all correct and you understand, that's good. If you got it correct but you are not very sure or you don't quite understand, please move on. When we talk about two past actions which were going on at the same time, we use the past continuous tense for both actions. Simon was playing online games while Miss Lai was teaching past continuous tense. In this case, playing online games and teaching past continuous tense. These two actions were going on at the same time. So for both of them, we use past continuous tense. And we usually use while to link the two clauses. When we talk about a past action which was going on when another action took place, we use the past continuous tense for the longer action and the simple past tense for the shorter action. And very often, we use when before the short action, and we use while for the longer action. Simon was playing online games when Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. In this case, playing online games is the long action, and Miss Lai asked him to answer the question is the short action. So that's why we use was playing, the past continuous tense here, and then we use asked him to answer question, the simple past tense. Before this short action, we use when. Example 3. While Simon was playing online games, Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. Actually, it is the same situation as example 2. Playing online games is the long action, so we use past continuous tense was playing. And then asked is the short action, and it is in the middle of playing online games. We use simple past tense. Actually, sentence 2 and sentence 3 have the same meaning. But because I put the connective here and it is in front of the longer action, I have to use while. So let's repeat. To connect two actions going on at the same time, we use past continuous tense. And then we use while to connect these two clauses. But when we are talking about a past action which was going on, when another action took place, we use the past continuous for the long action, and we use the past simple for the short action. And then we use when in front of the shorter action, but we use while in front of the longer action. Let's look at the 3 examples again. Simon was playing online games while Miss Lai was teaching past continuous tense. Simon was playing online games. We call this part the main clause. While Miss Lai was teaching past continuous tense, we call this part the while clause. Example 2. Look at the verb in the while clause. Was teaching. It is in past continuous tense. In the while clause, the verb is in past continuous tense. Example 2. Simon was playing online games when Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. Simon was playing online games. This part, it is the main clause. When Miss Lai asked him to answer the question, this part is the when clause. Look at the verb in the when clause. When Miss Lai asked him to answer the question, in the when clause, the verb is in simple past tense. Example 3. While Simon was playing online games, Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. While Simon was playing online games, this clause, we call it the while clause. Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. This clause is the main clause. Now, let's look at the verb in the while clause. Was playing. Again, in the while clause, the verb is in past continuous tense. So, I would like to highlight that in the while clause, the verb should be in past continuous tense, but in the when clause. So, let's repeat here. In the while clause, we use past continuous tense. In the when clause, very often we use simple past tense. So now let's move on to some practice. Level 1. Just remember when clause, simple past tense, while clause, past continuous tense. Number 1. I saw Ted, he was playing football. When clause, simple past tense. Number 2. I was playing the computer games. My mom was cooking. So, while clause, past continuous tense. Number 3. We were taking pictures. You arrived. simple past tense, when clause. Number 4, the accident happened. I was going to school. Past continuous tense, while clause. Number 5, he was reading a book. His mobile phone rang. Past continuous tense, while clause. If you got all correct in level 1, let's move on to level 2. This time we focus on the verb. Number 1, when I Ted he was playing football. Here in the when clause, we use past simple. Number 2, I was playing computer games while my mom. You see, in the while clause, I use past continuous. Number 3, we were taking pictures when you do. In the when clause, we use past simple. Number 4, the accidents happened while. In the while clause, we use past continuous. I was going to school. Number 5, while he did a newspaper, his mobile phone rang. In the while clause, we use past continuous tense. Very easy, huh? Okay, if you got it all correct, you can move on to level 3. Level 3. To succeed in level 3, you must understand the sentences, and you have to remember when we use past continuous tense and when we use simple past tense. Number 1. When I saw Ted, he was watching TV. Number 2, when I saw Ted, he started to watch TV. We use started here because started is a very short action. Number 3, I was doing my homework while my mom was cooking. In sentence number 3, was doing homework and cooking were two actions going on at the same time. Number 4, the bell rang while my mom was cooking. Number 5, we were talking when Mr. Principal came in. Is it easy? So, well done. Let's do a sum up here. When we talk about two past actions going on at the same time, we use past continuous for both actions. And then we use while to connect the two clauses. Example, Simon was playing online games while Miss Lai was teaching past continuous tense. When we talk about a past actions going on when another action took place, we use past continuous for the longer action and then past simple or simple past for the shorter action. And then we use while for the longer action, but we use when for the shorter action. Example, Simon was playing online games when Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. Example 3, while Simon was playing online games, Miss Lai asked him to answer the question. So let's stop here today. Bye.